everyone. I appreciate you all stopping back by to see what I am up to. And today I have my selfie box, and this is for June of 2020. And I just opened it. It is like a glued really tight, so I had to really pull on it. And this is what I see when I open this box. Love, love, love this box so far. This is the card. And you get a little, you know, descriptive and product and price on the back, which I love when companies do that. Selfie box is, I think this is only my second box, I do believe. Phenomenal box. I love it. $25 a month, free shipping. You get only all natural, vegan, or cruelty-free beauty and skincare products. 4 to 5 unique, luxurious items. Value of at least $100. You can buy an individual box as long as they're available on their website for $30 a box versus the $25 if you're a monthly subscriber. And their mission statement, which I love on their website, is self-empowerment, self-love, self-esteem, and self-care. I think that is very nice to see and to hear these days. So once again, I hate these things right here. I don't have anywhere to put them. I'm just going to try to move them out of the way until I can get them to the trash. I have a big box full of them. This is from Renew. No, this is not from Renew. What's the name of this company? Yes, it is Renew. Scalp therapy, and this is a pretty big tube. Value of $26. This gentle exfoliator removes product buildup and reduces scalp irritation for all hair types using the natural plant extracts like lavender stem and bay laurel leaf. And this is certified PETA, cruelty-free, green circle, 100% wind power. How awesome. Vegan and gluten-free. I think we all could use this. I'm phenomenal. Phenomenal. I am forever, I was going to say this is phenomenal, but I'm forever changing up my products all the time in my hair so your hair doesn't get used to it. And so I think I used one product, and I wish I could remember who made it back in the day. It was little tubes, little tiny sample bottles, and it came in a kit. And you used it maybe once a month, but it literally would strip your hair, not the color, but strip all the product out. And I remember I could only use that like on a Sunday. I didn't use it during the week because of work, and I definitely didn't use it like Saturday, because if you went out Saturday night, you couldn't do anything with your hair. And I had longer hair back then. So I think I would wash my hair on a Sunday, use that, and it would just get all the junk out of your hair that we put in. And back then I put way more product in my hair, and you couldn't do anything with your hair. You couldn't curl it, you couldn't stop. It was full and had plenty of body and shine, but it just was a little limper because there was nothing in your hair. And then by like the Monday it was fine. But I love that. So this I'm excited to try. And the next thing I see is from I'm going to use, is this real hair? Oh no, Beauty for Real, that's what it is. Beauty for Real is the name of the company, and this is a lip revival, and this is a $14 value, and this is yum, an essential part of any beauty ritual, which I agree with 100%. If I can get this open. Cleanse, exfoliate, and condition lips with raw sugar and essential oils. I cannot get it open. Let's try the bottom. Sometimes they open easier, which that did. That destroying my nails. So this is the bottle. Let's see. And no scent. And you can see the crystal sugars. No scent, but I love stuff like this. I wear a lot of lipstick, a lot of lip. Let me put that back the right way. It doesn't matter. A lot of lip balms, stains, glosses, all that stuff every day. So I would say probably 2-3 times a week I use a lip scrub. After I cleanse my face, use the lip scrub and then just be done. I know a lot of people forget to do that. So that is very good, and that's organic also. Let's see if there's anything. It just says raw sugars and essential oils. Okay. So the next item came wrapped in a bag. That is, you can see something on here. Essential Face Mist. Is that what this is? Essential Face Mist. And almost, I don't know if it's the bottle that's different colors, but you can sort of see different, probably. I don't think it's the product. I think it's the glass bottle. This is glass. So this is $23, and this anti-aging and calming mist uses super-powered snow algae, vitamin E, blueberry, elderberry, evening primrose, juniper berry, rosemary, and lavender to calm, hydrate, and refresh your skin. Wow, that's a lot of product. Let me see how this comes off. Oh, that smells so good. So it's just, you know, a little pump. Wow. If I can get the lid back on. That's tight, which is good, but I can't get it back on. Oh, I'm excited to try that. And yes, it is the bottle. Holding it away from the light, you can see the bottles, different colors. Wow, that's nice. Let's see what this is. Sometimes when you can't see in the box, it's nice too. And this is from Real Her, and this is I Am Beautiful, and this is a mascara. Value of $18. And I will not open these because once you open it, that's when air gets brought in. I mean, that's a thick, big, huge container of mascara. Italian made. I didn't realize that was Italian made. Italian made in the blackest of blacks with vitamin E and peptides to nourish and grow your lashes. This mascara provides a lash extending and volumizing effect. I might keep that one for myself. It's awful big though. I like to use the little samples for myself since I don't wear it too often. One of these days when I can get my eye finally fixed that I can wear all that stuff again. I used to always wear mascara, shadows, and all that stuff and cannot. Excuse me. I am so sorry. I don't edit the actual unboxing, so I can't edit that out. I'm so sorry, but I had to sneeze. The dust coming out of there from these little squirrely things got me. Ooh, we have a galactic item. And this is a matte bronzer with a value of $26. Let's see if I can get in this. Oh, I love their packaging. Their packaging is beautiful. Galactic. Warm up your complexion with this natural looking tan bronzer that delivers instant warmth. Perfect for bronzing or sculpting. This matte bronzer is silky smooth and blends seamlessly. Let's get this open. Okay, that might be a color that I can actually use. Nice. No scent, which is nice. It does have a mirror, which is good. I can see that hair that's bugging me that I could not find before. Maybe I need to keep a mirror out here. Well, I'm excited to try that too. Nice and slim. Fit nicely in a handbag. So they are the 5 products that I received in my selfie box for June of 2020. Tell me what you thought about this box. I think this one is phenomenal. And for $25 a month, this is comparable to Ipsy Plus and the Boxy Base. And this is definitely better for me than the Ipsy Plus. I don't know about Boxy. I still love my Boxy charms. I do like the Ipsy Plus too, but this one is right up there. If I had to pick a 1, 2, or 3, I don't know if I could. I don't have my Boxy yet. I have my Ipsy, so I know what was in the Ipsy Plus, and now this one. And I will have to see what's in my Ipsy Base box, because they're all comparable in price, $25. But this one is good. I am enjoying this box tremendously. I'm happy I found it. I think one of you had suggested it. I always ask for suggestions. If you get a box, if you see a box somebody else opening and you think it's phenomenal, let me know. As long as it's in the affordable range, you know, $25, $20, $25, $30, $35, something like that a month. I'm always willing to give it a try. And, you know, if I absolutely hate it after 1 month, I will cancel it. But I like to give boxes at least a 3-month try, because it could be an off month for me. I might not like the items in it, and it could be an off month for the brand, the box. They cannot please everyone all the time, every month. So I am well aware of that, and especially at these difficult times, sourcing product and all that, shipping, getting things to people on time, which I honestly am extremely grateful that I don't think I've had one company out of 30 or 35 subscriptions that I get each month that I actually did not get a box from. There is one conveniently named The Box that is just finally shipping in the towards the end, mid-June, basically, their March box. I canceled them immediately. I will not. I told them to either send me my box or refund me my money for March. I didn't care either way. So they are shipping me the box for March, so I will show one last time. I will not be getting that anymore. There's too many good boxes like this one out there that is offering for the same, pretty much the same. They're now, if you're a new member to the box, $24.99. This is $25. I have yet to see anybody say anything negative. And I read reviews, I search them out. Do they ship late? Do they send 3 products instead of 4 products? I love these, I do admit, companies that say 4 to 5. Just say you send 5 and send 5. So the ones that say 4 to 5 is 1 month, are we going to only get 4 for that same price that we get 5? So that, I wish they would fix that. But like I was saying, grateful that out of all those boxes, all those companies, everything was received. You know, some were a little bit late, but that's out of their hands. That was the post office, UPS, and FedEx, and so forth. It was all the transport, the transport companies, and maybe not all their fault, but I'd say 50-50. But they came eventually. I mean, I still had in the beginning of June some end of May boxes because they came late in the month or the first couple days of June, which I am okay with. This box so far, box number 2, I believe. I think this is only my second one. They're up there with the Boxy base for me. So if you're going to give BoxyCharm a run for your money, Selfie, good for you, because I love this box so far. So I appreciate you listening to me babble. I'm so sorry. And I hope all of you are having a good day, and hope to see all of you in my next video. Bye-bye now.